In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we pull up anchor in Koh Kut and head up to Koh Chong to have some fun, where we visit a beach that lost its sand and then get attacked by a monkey. I'd like to thank Group Island Spirit for this next series of videos. They supplied the boats we are sailing in the flotilla. Island Spirit is a yacht manufacturer and charter company, and they have some amazing destinations with over 40 boats in Thailand in both the Gulf side and the Phuket area. We started the morning on the north side of Koh Kut in the fishing village of Bang Bao. Here, Laura's releasing the snubber, which basically acts like a shock absorber to the anchor, and then we pulled it up. It was a short little trip up to Koh Mak, but you've already seen that before, so we just had a few cocktails at a beach rave and then headed out the next day. We headed north to the island of Koh Chong, where they also had a village named Bang Bao. As soon as we arrived, it was the obligatory jump in the water. And then we went exploring ashore. Alright guys, our last night.
Salud.
Salud. It's been good having you on board.
Hey, it's been great being with you guys.
It's been great, for real. We
might have another one of these coming up in July, so if you want to sail with us, there's probably a link down in the show notes. I don't know. We'll see.
Success.
Success.
Yeah, there you go.
Total success.
It was a pretty fantastic lunch, and then you know Laura and her animals, so she was quite satisfied. After lunch, the tide had gone out, so it was too shallow to motor. We headed back to the main pier so we go check out the rest of the island. Bang Bao used to be a fishing village, but now it's been converted to more of a tourist destination where they launch tourist boats, and they actually have some Airbnbs and some hotels and some restaurants. On the southeast side of Koh Chong is Lonely Beach, which has become kind of a mecca for backpackers and a bit of a party scene.
That's one heck of a noise.
Yeah? No, no, no. They're all just show. They're all show. They're all show. Gotta watch out for monkey crossing. And I don't mean that monkey. So I was only here maybe 2 or 3 months ago last, and this was all beach. It's all gone now. They had a really big storm came through here about a month after I was here, and it just stole their beach. I mean, this was all beach. It's just gone. It's all rock now. Wow, that's amazing how that can happen. I've seen that.
Sand and now it's rock.
Yeah, this was all sand up into there, because we would land our dinghy right. We landed our dinghy right there last time, and this was all beach. Wow,
Incredible.
it's gone all the way up. Man, look at it. See, oh yeah, the whole beach is gone.
Yeah.
This was the beach only a couple months ago, and then here is the beach now.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? Where did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning.
A monkey was trying to steal a woman's groceries. That's great. Sorry, you all right?
Hey, watch out.
You were a jerk monkey.
It's a big one. It's like a toddler. An aggressive toddler.
Jerk monkey. Get away.
Are you crazy? I told you don't get rabies. Don't get flip-flops.
That monkey's a little bastard.
He's coming again.
He's a little ticked off. He's like, fuck you.
Well, those monkeys have some sharp teeth. You don't really want to mess with them.
No.
They can mess you up.
Do you speak English? No.
Watch out for the monkey.
Oh.
I like this place. I could come here and spend a month or two just hanging out on the beach. There's enough to do in town that it's fun. It's not too boring, and you know.
There's enough animals.
Yeah, you get attacked by monkeys.
Yeah, there's monkey attacks, but there's very lazy cats and very happy dogs. And dog fights. Cheers, babe.
Ko Chong, come here and hang out on Lonely Beach. It's cool. It was time to head in and go to dinner. We came here for happy hour, but apparently nationwide there's like a voter registration tomorrow, and so they don't allow people to drink the day before because they're afraid that they can't be responsible enough to get themselves to go register because they'll be too hungover. Okay, so there's a loophole. You have to order before 6 p.m. It's 5:30 right now. So you have to order it all and get it all right now. So basically we're just buying this.
Cocktail มีหลายอย่างค่ะ
So if we order it and take it now, then we can have it later. So loophole solved. Hopefully. None of us end up in Thai prison. That would be great. Cheers. Yeah, cheers, everybody.
Oh yeah, cheers. Cheers.
Where you go?
All right. I gotta go get my cheers.
All right.